Actually, guys, it's not easy. Not easy at all coming back out. And this is, they said, the hardest part to go out.
Can I?
You can. Yeah. You want?
Once they stayed here hiding
Maximum 5.
5 months.
Yeah. Underground cities like puzzle.
So this is where
You
I
see
was.
right? Okay.
So this is what it was.
Okay.
So now we will be going to more down level. So for the people who's, as I told you, who's asthmatic, who's having issue their back or something, he's not advising at all to come from this way. And he's telling everyone to turn back from now. Because he's saying you have to turn back because there is only one way to go down and one way to go back. So once you feel too much down, you cannot turn back.
Let's go.
So let's go. So now we will start. This is we are going. Actually, he's making us more scared. Yes, now you can see more clear. Some people, I think she wants to turn back because she cannot. By the way down, there is a cemetery, and there is a church, and there is a rooms. And many people, they try to kill them, but they failed because they are having so smart way to do it. Look how my head, I'm putting my head up so down, and there is a stairs, and you have to stay bent all the time like this. We came down.
Bottom there, look. Grave.
Ah, this is the graves.
Now I will explain here and then I will give you time.
So this is the grave. So now he will explain to us. We are in the church. So this is the church down. Which at least it's huge a little bit.
Okay, my friends, now we are 39 meters step. 39 meters. One more level we will go down. You will be 55 meters step. So, at the bottom of underground city, we have a church. This is church. How we know? There is no painting. Nothing. Because we get close to water. Ground is muddy. Ceiling is wet, muddy. This is not good for paintings, fresco. So, instead of painting on the wall, they prefer to shape cruciform. As you see, this is in a big cruciform carved church. In Cappadocia, very rare. Mostly in underground cities, this is the only cruciform. In other underground cities, we have church, but just a small room. But this is completely cross-shaped. Okay? Now, I will take you for meeting hall. I will show you extra water well and cemetery. And you will see the daylight. After that, we will go up again, okay? So let's see the meeting hall. Look at the humidity. Okay, look. This point is important. Meeting hall, where they gathered to discuss the problems maybe, and researchers claim that when they called enemies, okay? This is enemy. Just imagine, enemy. We brought down here, we tied the right hand to the hole here, and the left hand to the hole there. And you do some torture.
Can I try?
You can. Yeah. You want? Maybe, okay, just an idea. This is big hole and big candles and oil lamps. Maybe they put up there or hang there. 3 columns we have, 1, 2, 3. This is not a coincidence. Very nearby the church, 3 columns they made, maybe symbolized Holy Spirit, Father and Son, Trinity. Look, we have no written evidences or documents to say something about here. But by looking at the hints, clues, we make up story. water. Come on. You see the bottom of the ventilation and you see the end of the deep water well. Bottom to daylight. Photo and come back, please. All together.
So this is where
You
I
see
was.
daylight? Okay.
So
How is
this
sunny?
is what it was.
Okay. Underground cities like puzzle. You need to use the hints to understand. For example, everybody saw the sunlight down there. You saw the sunlight, yeah? So that's very deep. That was used for air tunnel. Look. That was used for elevator. That was used for water well. But why people come down here? To escape from enemies. When they sheltered down, they got water inside there. If they drink, they will die. Because as you see the sunlight, enemy noticed out and pour into poison. Extra water well you need. And people know that they reach at water. That's why underground city is not getting deeper and deeper. They carved 60 or 55 meters depth and stopped. They saw humidity, ground getting muddy, and they expanded underground caves. This one goes from here 34 meters depth and got connection with spring fresh water. Enemy cannot touch. Just you put timber and pull it up to serve everybody drinkable water. Okay? You don't have wish? No wish? Fine.
What we should to do for this?
I don't know. You have wish? I want to be rich. I want a nice, healthy life. Something, you know. Everybody wants something, you know. So if you have wish, go in 3 meters, come back. Wish something. Or some researchers claim that some Christian people, they use this for confess, like confession tunnel, to get rid of the sins. Not exact information, but I prefer wishing tunnel. Yeah. Sometimes it comes true. You can try. For big wishes, 2 times you turn. Left entrance, right exit. Wrong way, no come. This is my deal, yeah. Okay, you can use guys just for fun. Then come back and we go for graves. Büyük dilekler için
So this is the way to make a wish. So it's one grave of the priest.
Yes, a room.
Ah,
One grave closed with iron bar.
okay. So now we'll go to see the grave of the priest. So there is no light. So good thing here I got flashlight. Earlier I couldn't. I didn't keep it, so that's how I struggle. So for the people I need to advise you, just bring your flashlight or use your mobile better. Don't forget to open it, turn it on. Actually the oxygen level is getting less. And look at us, how we are going. So, oh, this is...
I don't want to just go and get close enough to it.
This is the grave?
No, still.
Huh? Where? Ah, still more. So what's this?
Where is he? Is he here?
No, he's not coming.
No.
Just asking if you go down or you stay here.
I think we'll go down.
Down?
Va a ser gracioso subir esto.
He said this iron, he said it's covered with iron. I think this is the one.
You can go down to this way.
Let's say, guys,
Wait for him to understand the way.
I think he's not coming.
He will close us.
So we are thinking if we can go more down. So this is the grave. Finish, let's turn back. Huh?
Steel కావాలని పెట్టారన్నమాట.
Yeah.
ఎవరైనా కేక్ ఉండాలి.
But nothing to see. يلا. Turn back. حبي هاي. Okay. So now we are turning back since there is nothing to see. So it's just a small place, and we are thinking that there is another way, but there is nothing. So I think no need even for the people who have asthmatic or something to come here down to the graveside.
Now we will wait for the people coming down. When the tunnel is open for way up, we will start to go.
Behind.
Çıktı. Allah'ım uçtu gitti bile.
So now we are going out, and this is they said the hardest part to go out. So there's a way, at least I feel when I stand a little bit, not like earlier.
Kaçırılır mı böyle?
Actually, guys, it's not easy. Not easy at all coming back. You think it's so easy going down, but coming back, really not easy. At least we stopped here. There is place to breathe and have some time, and then we'll continue. By the way, good thing about little water with me. Bring water with you. You will need it. So now there is more stairs up, but at least we got some time to breathe down. So this is fine.
Chinese guy is behind. Okay, this place is living room, where they were sleeping. People were sleeping in the points where they away from air circulation. And they were using, at least researchers predict that, they were using in the chambers animal skins on the ground, on the wall, on the ceiling to provide insulation. And small room for small family, big one for big family, and lots of on the left corner we have. This is entrance of communication tunnel. You shout, voice goes down. This is for honeymoon and Samsung Smart TV. Yeah. Now, we will go through another tunnel. The tunnel will be low sealed. Watch your heads, please. Takes us directly for exit way. Before exit, I will tell you about how they kept animals and toilet system inside. Good luck.
Thank you. Oh, there is a bridge again. This is turning back. Oh, down. Huh? Okay. I cannot now. Okay, go. Here, from here. This would keep me behind.
Till enemy is gone, keep here. When enemy is gone, they pick up everything outside. But this place was not conquered. Stone doors. When you block entry, no way. So, enemy is gone, people move up, but they clean inside completely. And they prepare this place for food storage and also for next attacks and invasions. This is the system in underground cities, and almost all underground cities, same technique they carved out and for same reason. Only in here, the church we saw, cruciform, this is unique, guys. Okay, any questions so far?
So the enemy, once he will enter, he can smell the animal smell, so he will know that there is something wrong here down.
Enemies?
Uh,
Yes, they know. Enemy
they know that there is something.
Enemy knew that you are here.
Huh?
But stone door, they can't go more.
But they couldn't go deep.
Yeah. Or enemy waiting outside or
Ah.
entering, but the stone doors, they can't pass.
For how many months they stayed here hiding?
Maximum 5.
5 months.
Yeah. You know, the sections we have here, church, cemetery, and big living rooms, these are some hints for us. If they stay short, why I need to carve 40 meters to have the big church? So,
Yeah.
Wow, wow.
in the long run, you need, you know?
Yes.
That's why. Okay, now, let's go.
Again, so now we are going out. This is the exit. Finish. You're done. Happy? Yes. Ta-da! We see the lights again. Oh,
Alfred, come on. Lunch? 1 hour later. 45 minutes, 1 hour later. Okay. My friends, now our minibus is there. There is cafeteria over there. Go and take rest.
Okay.
Inside heating system. Maybe drink tea, something you can drink there. And then I will call you. I am coming to cafeteria too.